Hello guys. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best travel blenders for green smoothies in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Ninja BL660 Professional Countertop Blender. Ninja Professional Countertop Blender comes with a 72 ounces crushing pitcher and 2 to-go cups. Powered by an 1100-watt motor, no wonder this Ninja blender can tear through ices and turn it into snow in seconds. Unfortunately, despite the high-performance motor, this blender doesn't do a good job of turning veggies into green smoothies. In other words, if your main reason to buy a blender is to make green smoothies, this blender seems to be a perfect choice. But it's still possible to achieve a smoother consistency if you put more water into your blender. Number 2. Our second best pick is Ninja BL480 Nutri Ninja Auto IQ Base for juices, shakes and smoothies personal blender. If you're a morning smoothie person, then you can rely on Ninja BL480 Nutri Ninja Auto IQ technology makes it easy for you to make your favorite drinks. You can put kale, spinach or anything you like into this blender. Let the Nutri Ninja run for a while and voila, it will be very smooth just like how a smoothie should be. The cups are perfect for a single serve. You can use either the 18 or 24 ounce cups. The Pro Extractor blades are sharp and very great in crushing ices. If you don't find the 24 ounce cup to be enough, you can purchase a 32 ounce cup separately. Number 3. Our third best pick is nutribullet RX N17 1001 blender. If you want to buy a Vitamix blender, but you can't afford the price, then this nutribullet is the next best option. This blender is a perfect choice if you're looking for a blender with a compact design that can be easy to store. Not to mention, the motor has a good performance. This nutribullet model has a 7 minutes heating cycle feature. With this feature, you can heat hot liquid using this blender, including soups. Moreover, you can make a well-blended green smoothie that is free of grainy texture. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is KitchenAid Diamond Vortex 5-speed blender. KitchenAid Diamond Vortex comes with a simplistic design. It is very convenient to use. Furthermore, the motor can maintain optimal speed to crush all ingredients, even an ice's cube. There are 5 levels of speed that you can use to crush all kinds of ingredients easily. It will turn your green leafy into a smooth texture, including kale and spinach. But make sure you put liquid to achieve the creamy texture. The stainless steel blade is very efficient in crushing all ingredients. So this makes it a perfect choice for a green smoothies blender. You can chop, stir, mix, puree, and liquefy almost anything in the 60-ounce BPA-free pitcher. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Blendtec Total Classic Countertop Blender. Blendtec Total Countertop Blender is a unique blender. Many other blenders come with a sharp blade. But Blendtec chooses not to use sharp edges for this model. It is the true definition of a perfect vegetable crushing machine. All the fruits or veggies you put in it will be amazingly smooth. No wonder Blendtec always takes pride in their powerful motor. Blendtec cares a lot about their motor. Their blenders are equipped with an innovative design and powerful machine. They are also known for its iconic and original campaign, "Will it blend?" In one of their videos, Blendtec was even shown to be capable of crushing an iPad. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.